in edge computing, network security, and telecom environments. Servers are deployed across diverse and distributed locations. Advantech Platform Management, BMC, empowers you with out-of-band, remote control, and over-the-air upgrades, enabling fast, reliable system management anytime, anywhere. With Node Explorer web interface, you can remotely access your x86 servers in real time through a command line serial console or a full graphical desktop, iKVM. Manage everything effortlessly, just as if you were on site. No matter your setup, simply choose your preferred mounting method and ISO location via Samba share or HTTP/HTTPS link, or a local file to mount the image as a virtual CD-ROM. Simply use the power control shortcut on the top toolbar to restart the system and enter the BIOS configuration. During the restart, you can monitor the process and power status remotely, directly from the toolbar. If any issue occurs during boot, BIOS post information helps you quickly analyze and troubleshoot it. Once in BIOS, simply select Boot from BMC Virtual CD-ROM to launch the OS installation process. With remote storage, deploying an OS remotely becomes simple, seamless, and efficient. From the System Power Control page, you can also fine-tune boot options and gain complete visibility into remote power management. Out-of-band management lets you launch BIOS setup menu from Node Explorer. This Redfish-powered web interface that mirrors the real BIOS menu, allowing you to make configuration changes without interrupting the system, then apply them later with a reboot at the time you choose. Advantech Node Explorer makes firmware updates effortless. You can schedule over-the-air upgrades during defined maintenance windows, enable zero-touch provision, or just upload firmware such as BIOS or BMC images instantly, keeping your systems secure, up-to-date, and running without interruption. If abnormalities occur during power cycles, the Diagnostics page gives you instant access to detailed BMC information, including BIOS, post codes, event logs, and sensor data for quick and accurate troubleshooting. Under certain Advantech service level agreement, you can also request professional analysis and technical support when deeper assistance is needed. Advantech Node Explorer makes remote maintenance more intuitive, responsive, and secure, allowing you to monitor, deploy, and troubleshoot your systems anytime, anywhere. Beyond the web interface, Advantech Platform Management, BMC, also supports IPMI commands and Redfish APIs, enabling easy integration into your existing service infrastructure. All these out-of-band management advantages come from Advantech's in-house integration of BMC and BIOS, a truly distinctive innovation in platform management, delivering safer, smarter, and more complete remote management experience. Advantech Platform Management Smart Server Management starts here. To explore more Node Explorer features, you can watch system monitoring, demo video, or visit our software website for full platform management solutions.